Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make a terms of service page on Shopify. The first thing you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner and you are going to select settings. After selecting settings, you are going to scroll down and from here you are going to tap on policies. After selecting policies, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you have to do is simply scroll down and you will see the option Terms of Service. You are going to tap on Create from Template. After selecting Create from Template, you will be led to this right here where you can see an example of how your Terms of Service will look for your Shopify store. If you would like to make any changes, you can edit it. After you're finished, you'll tap on Save in the top right hand corner and your terms of service will automatically be linked in the footer as you can see right here, and you can also add it to your menu